Hi guys, so today we are going to be installing this whole house water filtration system. So this customer actually had purchased this filtration system already and got it delivered, so it was ready to install once we got to their home. First, we need to install the mount that will hold the filtration system onto the wall. He starts by adding plumber's tape to the pipe fittings that are inserted into the filtration system. Plumber's tape ensures that the fittings hold a watertight seal for the water that will be passing in and out of the system. He then tightens the pipe fittings down with a wrench to make sure that they are not going anywhere. The next step is reworking the plumbing so the water will flow through the filtration system and then throughout the house. This starts with disassembling unwanted copper pipe and replacing it with the new in directions that you want it to go. We're starting at the bottom first because this customer's pressure reducing valve needs to be replaced. A pressure reducing valve basically does exactly what its title is. It reduces the pressure of the water so that it is at a safe level for your home. This customer needed a new one installed because we noticed that it was squealing. Hearing a squealing noise means that there is sediment inside. There are screens inside of a pressure reducing valve, and when they get sediment in them, it will squeal through the house. Now that we have a pressure reducing valve installed, we can move on to reworking the rest of the plumbing for this filtration system. This is really the part of the entire installation that takes the most time. You have to take into consideration what is going to be the smartest, most logical way to make sure that the pipes are directed in a way that makes sense. Throughout this video, you can see that Austin is reworking in the plumbing in the most logical way that is going to be able to accommodate the new filtration system. He adds shutoff valves where they are needed through the process of reworking the plumbing and also makes sure to tighten down each pipe joint where the plumbing is connected. We do not want anything breaking loose and causing a water damage disaster. After finishing up with the plumbing, he then moves on to the final step, installing the water filters onto the mount. These are twisted on and then tightened down with this handy piece that came with the system. Just out of curiosity, here is what one of the water filters looks like. Once all three of the filters for the system are attached, the installation is finished. Here's a final look at the entire project. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.